Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Amazing YouTube. I am going to show you how to download new logs from Time Attendance. Now, click on the icon of Time Attendance Management. If you use computer with running Windows 10, you can see a message regarding switching to administrator permission, and also, you can see warning for USB communication error. In this step, I suggest you to click No. If not, you cannot see next window. Then, you can see company logo. After that, you have to provide your access details as usual. You can see Access Control Management System panel. Now click on Device Management icon under Device Management. You need to select device at left panel and synchronize with fingerprint device. If it is successful, you can see green color tick on the device which is you have been selected. Make sure whether your computer and fingerprint device on same network. If not, you cannot connect to the device. You can see active links on the program. Select Get New Logs after few seconds. It will be completed. Then, go back to Main panel. Select Report icon under Attendance Management. At the new window, please select Date Range to get details. Then, select Query. We can export data to Excel sheet or text document by clicking on Export icon near to back button. That's all. Let's meet with another YouTube video soon. Don't forget to subscribe me and click on the bell icon.